Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you've had a lovely week. I've only uploaded on Friday, what will be today when you watch this, because again I was doing an online internship, but next week my uploads will be back to normal because I'm finished all of them. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure you've seen from the thumbnail that I'm doing like a B&M and home bargains haul. I picked up a few bits but I thought I'd show you guys because these seem to be really popular on YouTube and I love watching other people's, although I never find what they buy. But that's okay, we'll move on from that one. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button down below. I believe it might be there or there, I'm not sure what side it is. And hit the like button and please comment for any more content you'd like to see. And I'm just going to get straight into the haul because I'm sure that's why you've clicked on this video, not to hear me ramble. So I'm going to start with home bargains. I've not picked up too much, but I just thought I'd give you a little show and tell of what I've picked up. I've got some pretty cool things. So the first thing I picked up is this Ultimate Blends Food Banana hair mask. If it's going to focus, there we go. This is by Garnier and it is the Hair Food Banana and Sheer 3-in-1 hair mask. It says for dry hair, so on wet hair to instantly nourish and detangle hair without weighing on. Oh, so you can use it as a conditioner, as a mask, or you can leave it in on dry hair. It's quite cool. I will probably put this on wet hair and like leave it in for 3 minutes and then take it off like you do with a normal face mask. It smells so nice. I believe this was like literally £3 or something like that, but I absolutely love like hair masks because they make my hair feel so soft, and I thought this one looks really cool. They have like a whole range of this, and they have like shampoo bottles in this, like in not cartons, but like they look like milkshake bottles. What are the words? Do you know what I mean? Like the drinks and like rectangle with the little circle on top. They look like that and they're literally like 99p. But I just went with this. If I enjoy this, I will pick up the rest of the range. But I'm sure if you follow my Instagram, what I will put here for you guys, I will tell you what it's like because I'm really excited to try this when I next wash my hair. Secondly, I picked up my favourite scrub of all time. This is the Lavender Reviving and Calming Mineral Salt Scrub with natural Dead Sea salts and lavender. This is by the Dead Sea collection and it's literally just a lavender scrub. I can't really show you guys like the inside because I don't want to tip it. Oh no, it's okay, I won't go everywhere. It's just like that. It's got a bit of water at the top and then it's the salts. And this is the packaging for any of you wondering. It is literally amazing. This is, if you've watched my pamper routine, it was like one of my first videos on YouTube. This is the sea salt I'm on about. It's brilliant for scrubbing fake tan off and I really recommend it because it's literally like £2 and it gets my fake tan off like that. But it is really good and I really recommend it for standard use and to scrub fake tan off. Like the night before you're going to re-tan again, you know, when you exfoliate and everything to get all of the old tan off, I would definitely use this for that because I literally just love it so much. So then I've just picked up this beaded headband, what is probably not going to focus because of the ring light, but there it is. This was like £2.50 and I've always wanted a beaded headband and I think it just looks so cute. And it was so cheap. Like you could, even on like Missguided and Pretty Little Thing, these are so expensive, but this one is just so cute. It doesn't feel like it's going to break or anything, and the pearls are actually quite small. It's quite good because I would rather them be like small, not like the massive ones. But I think this was such a bargain for like £2. And they have actually got loads of headbands. I just own so many I couldn't justify buying any more fabric ones, but I absolutely adore this little pearl headband and it doesn't feel like it's going to break or anything, and it's got the things at the bottom to stop any of the pearls coming off. But yeah, I absolutely love this and they don't look too cheap. Like obviously they don't look real, but they don't look too cheap. It's quite good. And then I just picked up one of the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Bomb Tissue Mask, super hydrating and anti-fatigue. One mask equals 1 week of hydrating active. This is for tired skin and it's the lavender one. So you just leave this mask on for 15 minutes. I'm sure you've all seen these on YouTube before. Literally everyone raves on about them. It's probably not going to focus because of the packaging and the ring light, but I literally love them. I will pop a picture here of it, but these are such good face masks, and this was literally £1.50. I really should have picked up more, to be honest, but I don't really use sheet masks that much. But if I was going to use one, this is one I'd get, and obviously they're so much cheaper in Home Bargains than they are in like Superdrug or anywhere else. And then I just picked up 2 food things, but I'm sure if you go to Home Bargains you will know that all of the like chocolate and sweets is so cheap, but I'm trying to eat healthy, so I didn't pick up too much. So I just picked up the Kinder chocolate, the tiny like small bar ones. I'm sure you have all seen these before. They're literally tiny, but they're really handy for someone like me who just wants to eat chocolate. Oh, that is literally ridiculous how tiny it is. Somebody wants to eat chocolate all the time, they're quite handy because they are so small, so they only have like 71 calories per bar. But I literally love these, and these were like £1. And then I picked up these Hello Panda. I have literally never tried these before. I'm pretty sure you get them in America. I'm going to be completely wrong there. I've definitely seen them in America though, but it's just a biscuit with chocolate filling. Well, I obviously can't open. The package isn't tiny, but this again was like £1.50. And they're not even in the shape of pandas. That's a bit disappointing. I don't even know what's on it. They were okay. I don't think I'd buy them again. I literally just picked them up to see what they tasted like. They were okay. Maybe children would like them, but yeah. Not a bit of me really. And that is everything I picked up from Home Bargains, so I'm just going to show you what I picked up from B&M as well. I literally hate the B&M packaging so much. I guess I like not packaging the bag, it's so ugly. So I obviously picked up like my favourite storage boxes. I just have these little grey ones here. I just got grey because they match my room, as you can see. Like my walls are like a blue grey colour. These are literally £1.50 for 2, so these cost me £3 altogether. I just put like random things in here. Honestly, anything. I organise my makeup in here, my skincare, literally everything. So every time I go, I just pick a few up, and they're just really handy. Well, not always these ones. I sometimes get the big fabric ones, but B&M is the place to go for storage. And then I never really used W7 before. I know it's quite a cheap makeup brand. I've used their Banana Dreams powder, what I used to really like, but obviously the L'Oreal Mercier one is cheaper. But I've got this very vegan Naughty by Nature eyeshadow palette, and it's the natural choice of cruelty free and absolutely no animal testing. And I just thought this was brilliant. It's vegan and obviously paraben free, and I just thought this was so good, especially as everyone like is taking a bit of a environmental kick recently, and it is quite hard to know what brands test on animals and what brands are vegan and everything, because I actually thought like majority of the big brands, like I'm not going to name any in case they are vegan, but a lot of the big brands actually still test on animals and stuff like that. What I was actually really shocked by, that I just thought big brands wouldn't because they've got the money not to. The packaging isn't the greatest, but I mean, I suppose you're buying it because it's vegan. And it's got a little mirror. Obviously it comes with one of them plastic things on top. But I actually, oh, the mirror is really good. Showing how bad my makeup is today. So this is the palette, as you can see. I'm just going to make it focus for you. But there we go. The colours are actually really nice. I don't know how pigmented they'll be. Oh, they're not too bad, to be fair. The colours are really nice as well. I reckon you could definitely like work with it. See what the black's like. They're not too bad, as you can see, but I just thought this was really good because obviously I done that eating vegan for 24 hours, and I just thought it would be really interesting to see the quality and stuff. And well, obviously it's better to buy vegan like makeup and animal cruelty free makeup, and the colours are actually really nice. I may try like only using vegan makeup or something and making makeup routine, but the mirror is literally so clear as well. I'm obsessed with this palette. I actually really like it. The packaging is a bit cheap, but you're not really paying for the packaging, and it was very cheap. Again, it was from B&M. But I've never really used W7. I always see them. And again, by the same makeup range, I picked up this very vegan, there we go, very vegan moisture rich lipstick. I picked mine in Awesome Autumn. I think it's a nude colour if I picked up the right one. Obviously the makeup in B&M is a bit all over the place, but it wasn't too bad. And again, the packaging is a very basic, but I'm not really bothered by that. Like, I'm not paying for the packaging, I'm just paying for the colour. Oh, I really like that colour. It's a very nudie colour. Yeah. So there, I don't know why I done that there. So there it is there. You can't really see it, but if I come up closer and actually take my lip gloss off, I will show you. That is the colour. As you can see, it's more of a very nude colour. I would definitely put lip gloss over the top of it as well, but it feels really moisturising. My lips are so dry recently, that's why it looks so gross. Like, I got all dry skin around them, but I actually quite like the colour. Like, I would put it on with a plain makeup look like I have got today. The only thing is, it smells like that cheap makeup you would get as a child. But it is really nice, and I definitely will use this. Like, it's definitely, because it was so cheap, it's definitely a lipstick you'd put in your purse going on a night out, because if you lose it you're not really bothered. But I actually really like the colour. Yeah, it's actually quite nice. I'm quite impressed with this vegan makeup. And last but not least, from B&M, I actually picked up these duck feather cotton premium pillow pair, and these were £14 for two. I have actually got one on my bed because I slept with it last night, and it is really comfy. I just needed some more pillows because I've only got two, and apparently you need 4 pillows on your bed. I don't know who made that rule up, but this is them. They are really soft and really nice, and obviously £14 for 2 pillows is brilliant. Like, some people will pay like £100, but it's ridiculous. And they are duck feather pillows. I kind of like want to you know, have a pillow fight and all the feathers go everywhere, but I think someone would kill me, so I'm not gonna do that. But they are really comfy, and I actually do really like them. So obviously B&M is known for all them stuff. I should have really bought some plain pillowcases for them as well, but that is for another trip. And that is everything I picked up from B&M and Home Bargains. I just wanted to show you what I got. Thought it would be a quick nice video to film, and I really wanted to show you the vegan makeup because that is very interesting. I've never seen a brand come out with just like a vegan range, if that makes sense. But that is literally everything I got. Obviously I will let you know what the hair mask is over on my Instagram. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button down below. I actually have a Shein order coming next week, what will be up on my channel next Friday hopefully. So I really hope you enjoy this video. Hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you next week for a brand new upload. Bye.